Hello, I don't normally do videos for our asynchronous or after group work, but I just wanted to touch on a few things with this, which is the home connections, page 35 and 36, which you'll need to do as well. I just wanted to talk about a couple of things. So the first thing is we've used a few different words that tell us whether or not something is addition or subtraction. One of those words for addition could be more. Another word for subtraction could be fewer. So here on number 3, you'll see that it says find the difference. So the difference in this case for math means subtraction. So all that means is that you need to solve these equations and try to do them without using your fingers. You can use your number rack, you can use the Unifix cubes, you can use any of the strategies we've been learning about to solve these equations. Okay, and then up here, I just also wanted to touch on this to make sure you understood, was that when we add, we've talked about this, when we add, the numbers can be flip-flopped. So do you see how this is 6 plus 4 and 4 plus 6? It's the same equation. But we can't do that with subtraction because we can't take from a number that, we can't take more than the first number. So if we have 10, we could do 10 minus 11. We can't take 11 from 10, right? So if we only had 10 apples, someone couldn't come and take 11 from us. So the bigger number always has to be first in an equation. So remember, think about that. So do you see how the 6 and the 4 was reversed here, flip-flopped? It's still flip-flopped, just in a different spot. Did you see how these numbers, they're all the same numbers for the addition and the subtraction, but they have different places. So make sure the biggest number goes first. And the biggest number in all these, all 4 of these, because these are 10 frames, will be 10. So that should give you a little bit of a hint to help you with that. And then I also wanted to remind you on how we do our story problems is that we read it one time, then we read it a second time, and we underline what we think is important. What is telling us what kind of equation? Is it addition or subtraction? And what numbers are we using? What is our unknown number? Where does it go in the equation? And what are the other 2 numbers that we're going to need? Okay. And then the challenge, of course, you don't have to do the challenge, but you can try to do it if you want to.